Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, June 26th. We are looking at window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So, on Monday, the market attempted to push down late, and yesterday's opening totally rejected that price probe. Yesterday, we didn't probe in NQ, barely probed in ES, but we certainly made a nice push towards the highs late in the session. Now, they were attempting early this morning and overnight to get a follow-through. But look at this so far. We have a poor high at the overnight high in ES. NQ's overnight got close to the 21st high. Remember, there's still a double distribution day. From up there. Pure inside day yesterday for NQ. So if you're a bull, you don't want to see this come all the way back inside yesterday's range. Right? Especially after this overnight. I said ES I would treat as an inside day, and I will. Right now, though, we're below the base of the price probe, which was small. I wasn't using L's high. So more importantly is what for us? Value. Right? We always talk about value. Bulls don't want to get acceptance back into value from yesterday. If you do, you're trading at the 9-wide pop. And you know what's below that? Nothing. Yesterday's low. NQ. If you get accepted inside of value, you know what's below that? Nothing until your afternoon pullback. Yes, you have half back. And value low. And then you would have the afternoon pullback. So if this bull move is going to attempt to be successful, I think value is going to play a huge part in it. It's not a coincidence right now where the overnight lows are. Right near value highs. So again, with an inside day, you go with it and monitor for continuation, but just as importantly, lack of. Now, we still have 70 minutes to go, so a lot can happen. We might go right back up to the overnight high, or we might get accepted back firmly inside of yesterday's range. It still remains to be seen. And again, if you're in this trading room, we'll be discussing this starting at 9:15 for our game plan come 9:30. Okay, so depending on where the overnight low is, again, front-running overnight lows and highs in NQ and ES have had a pretty good risk-reward percentage. Okay? So keep that in mind. As far as righty goes this morning, righty came back into balance yesterday. Right? It's a big balance. I would use the 16th day low as my balance low. Well, not the 16th. Is that the 17th? 17th. That Monday. So again, they're in perpetual balance, it seems like. Look at this. They had a wide overnight pop and got away from it. Now, we weren't that wide. We were 10 wide. NQ was 12 wide. So again, it all remains to be seen where we open. That's why the overnight, is in weekend traders. It looked like they were going to attempt to start pushing this. NQ needs to take out yesterday's high to at least come back into balance on the daily. But the more important thing was to have success and follow through to have an inside day up with higher value where you can basically look for longs throughout the day. All remains to be seen. And then just quickly here, I'm going to show you NQ's chart first. Right? Inside day. I had the daily down to balance after yesterday. So if we take out the yesterday's high, we're not up. It's just balance. We'll probably incorporate this whole thing then back into a big balance. So we'll see if we get any follow-through with the inside day to the upside. And in ES, it's been balanced. Okay? I've been using this Monday's low, so coming into today, it's a 6-day balance and basically treated as an inside day. One other really depressing note, volume yesterday was 38.2 million, our 9th lightest of the year. So 9 out of our 10 lightest volumes now are under 40 million, as our average is down to 66.5 million in SPY. That's extremely light. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.